SafeLink Wireless provides several methods to check your balance: USSD text codes, the SafeLink app, and the online portal. As of 2025, SafeLink primarily offers unlimited talk and text, focusing on data usage. Checking your data balance is crucial to avoid interruptions. This video will guide you through each method to ensure you stay connected. Remember, SafeLink is committed to bridging the digital divide by providing accessible ways for low-income households to manage their service. Let's break down each method. For USSD text codes, simply dial 611 or text MIN, data, or BAL to 611. You'll receive an instant SMS reply with your balance details. To use the SafeLink app, available on Android and iOS, log in with your account credentials to view real-time usage. The app also offers features like auto-refill alerts. Finally, access the online portal at safelink.com/myaccount. Sign in to monitor usage, pay bills, or request support. The portal provides detailed analytics, including usage graphs. Choose the method that best suits your needs and stay on top of your SafeLink data usage.